Let's start with the features. MailerLite provides a variety of features such as email automation, advanced segmentation, and A/B testing. It also includes a drag and drop editor, making it easy to design emails. ConvertKit, on the other hand, also offers email automation, segmentation, and A/B testing. However, it stands out with its visual automation builder, which simplifies the process of creating complex email sequences. Moreover, ConvertKit focuses on simplicity and ease of use, making it a better choice for beginners. Moving on to pricing, MailerLite offers a free plan for up to 1,000 subscribers, with paid plans starting at $10 per month. ConvertKit also offers a free plan, but for up to 500 subscribers. Its paid plans start at $29 per month. While ConvertKit is pricier, it does offer more advanced features in its plans. However, if cost is a significant factor, MailerLite offers more value for money. Let's talk about user experience. MailerLite's interface is intuitive and easy to navigate, even for beginners. Its drag and drop editor is particularly user-friendly. ConvertKit also offers a straightforward interface with an emphasis on simplicity. While its editor is not as flexible as MailerLite's, it's still easy to use. Both platforms offer great UX, but if you prefer more flexibility in design, MailerLite might be the better choice. Next, we have integrations. Both MailerLite and ConvertKit integrate with popular platforms like WordPress, Shopify, and Zapier. However, ConvertKit offers more integrations, including advanced options for e-commerce, membership sites, and course platforms. So, if you need extensive integration capabilities, ConvertKit could be the better option. Now, let's discuss performance and security. Both MailerLite and ConvertKit offer high delivery rates, ensuring your emails reach your subscribers' inboxes. They also prioritize security with features like two-factor authentication and GDPR compliance. However, ConvertKit has a slightly better reputation for email deliverability, which is a crucial factor in email marketing. Moving on to support and scalability. MailerLite offers 24/7 email and live chat support, while ConvertKit offers email support and live chat support during business hours. In terms of scalability, both platforms can handle growing businesses, but ConvertKit offers more advanced features as your needs grow. So, for businesses planning significant growth, ConvertKit might be more suitable. Based on our comparison, the winner is ConvertKit. It stands out with its visual automation builder, extensive integration capabilities, superior email deliverability, and scalability. While it's pricier than MailerLite, the advanced features and benefits it offers make it worth the investment, especially for growing businesses. Thank you for watching our comparison between MailerLite and ConvertKit. We hope this has helped you make an informed decision. If you found this video useful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more comparisons like this. Thank you for your time.